Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the domain environment. Log in with domain admin privileges and open group policy management. Once done, create or select a test OU and link a new GPO so you don't break production. Make an immediate backup of existing policies and document which computer accounts will receive the change. Decide whether you will block all USB storage devices or implement a device whitelist. This choice affects registry keys and policy settings you will apply in the next steps. Now you configure the group policy object itself. Open the test GPO and navigate to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates. Locate removable storage and set Deny Execute, Read, and Write as required. If using device installation restrictions, add Forbidden Device ID or disallow installation except for approved device ID. You can also deploy a small registry preference to set Start equals 4 for USPster service to disable it. Make sure to apply settings to the computer scope and link to the test OU before pushing. Deploy to test computers by running gpupdate/force and rebooting to ensure the policy takes effect. Verify success by plugging a USB storage device. Confirm it does not mount. Review Device Manager for disabled USPster and inspect Event Viewer for group policy application results. If things fail, check GPO scope, security filtering, and any applied WMI filters. Ensure AD replication completed and the registry or service change propagated. As a final tip, re-enable logging and use a single test user to isolate policy interactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.